Hi, my dear friends and students. With this video clip, I'm going to show you uh, how to write a JDBC Type 1 driver program to communicate with Excel sheet. That is, by using this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert data into Excel sheet by using JDBC Type 1 driver. First, create Excel file. Okay, start run. Then click on XLS. Then in the Excel file, okay, first of all, save this Excel file in a directory. Now I'm going to save this one into c:/ creators / book1 dot xls file. Okay, that is 97 2003 workbook format. Now click on save. Now it's saved. Now after saving this, okay, first column name is ID, second column name is name, third column name is course. Okay, these column names are stored in a sheet 1, in a sheet 1 of this Excel file. Save this one. Okay, and close this file. After this, create a DSN that contains ODBC driver to insert data into this Excel sheet table. Go to control panel, then system and security, then click on administrative tools, then click on ODBC data sources, then go to system DSN, then click on add. Okay, Microsoft Excel driver for XLS, XLSX, XLSM and XLSB. Now click on finish. Now data source name is XDSN. Select the workbook, C drive, creators directory, book1 dot XLS file. Remove the tick mark for read only. If read only is there, we cannot insert data into this Excel file. Click on OK. Now, okay. Now click on OK here, and then click on OK. Close this administrative tools and close this system and security. Now go to creators directory. There you can see book1.xls, which was created earlier. And if you open this book1.xls, there are no rows in this sheet 1. There are no rows in sheet 1. Now close it. Now go to the command prompt, and there was an existing program, excel insert demo.java. There you can see step 1, loading the driver under jdbc.odbc.jdbc driver. Now next the code is getting the connection using jdbc.odbc odbc colon xdsn. Username is sa, password is empty, connection con equivalent to driver manager.get connection of url, user and password. This xdsn contains a data source name that contains ODBC driver details to communicate with Excel book1.xl file sheet 1. Now I'm okay validating it. If connection not equivalent, if connection is equivalent to null, I'm going to say that connection is failed. I'm going to say that connection is failed. If connection is not null, I'm creating a statement, and after creating the statement, I'm inserting the data into sheet 1 dollar. Let me say sheet 1 of the book1.xls file values 23. Okay, ID, Narayana sir, name, and the course. The course value is Java. System.out.println, one row inserted into the database, count.close. This is the code. Save this file. Now, what this file is going to do with the Excel sheet? Now, I'm going to explain this one with diagram. This program is going to communicate with the book1.xls file. In the book1.xls file, there are multiple sheets, and we are going to insert the data into sheet 1. and it has many columns, but I titled only 3 columns. The first column titled as ID, second column is titled as name, third column is titled as course. Now by using this program, we are going to store data into this book1.xls file. The data we are going to store is 23, next one is Narayana sir, next one is Java, my name Narayana sir, now Satyanarayana sir, 23, and here the name is going to be stored Narayana sir, and here the course is going to be stored Java, and so on. Now the communication between the program and this Excel file is with the help of JDBC hyphen ODBC, okay, driver bridge driver. Now, one more thing I told you, this the Type1 driver, JDBC ODBC bridge driver is called as Type1 driver, works only in JDK 1.02, only in the following okay, JDK versions from JDK 1.0 to JDK 1.7. It doesn't it doesn't work with JDK 1.8. Why? Because from JDK 1.8 this driver is removed. Okay, let me compile this code. Java C excellence at demo.java, Java space excellence at demo, one row inserted into the database. Now you can see whether the row is inserted into the database or not by opening book1.xls file. If you open book1.xls file, now here you can see 23, ID, name, Narayana sir, course, Java. Now row is inserted. Like this, by using Type1 driver programs, we can communicate with Excel file also.